Welcome to Education Lifeline. I'm Tutor Paul, and today I will tell you how to solve equations flawlessly every single time. Using this tip, you will eliminate any chance of making a mistake when solving equations on assignments or tests. Now, the tip is to always check your answer by plugging your solution back into the original equation. It only takes 10 seconds to plug in your solution and check your work. This is very effective when solving longer equations, like the one shown above, or even when solving system of equations. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. If you need to know how to solve different types of equations, a playlist will be linked below, as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching.